Hi, I'm Ashley from the CIE technical team, and today I've got the R20 LTE unit in my hand, which is a UK exclusive product, especially for the residential gate market, along with any areas where you might not be able to wire to. This now has an LTE module in such a small compact unit, featuring RFID and also keypad, which allows pin entry. This works exactly the same as any other intercom with the Akuvox Smart Plus app, along with all the indoor monitors, along with a lovely black finish, which is a lot more stylish for the intercom market today. As easy as that. Just remember, we've also got the Akuvox Support Hub online. If you've got any further questions, comment below, or maybe give us a video idea for next time.